Hamochi Math Challenge tutorial. Join the event. Tap the magnifying glass button. Tap the Events button. Tap the Start Now button under Ongoing Event Session. You have entered the event page. Well done! Claim daily ticket. Every day you will receive a mail. Tap the Open button to open it. Wow, you have received 20 event tickets. Tap the OK button. Remember to log in every day to receive your ticket. Well done! Start game tutorial. Tap the dialog box to continue. Tap the tutorial button. Follow the instruction and complete the tutorial. Well done! Start a level. There are a number of levels in one event. Choose the first level and tap the Go button. Tap the Start button to start the game. Well done! Claim rewards. You can unlock rewards by collecting stars. Go to each level to collect stars. Every level you can receive up to 3 stars. Now you can claim the quest reward. Tap the OK button. Look, you have received a new quest. You can get event tokens by completing some of the quests. Tap the Visit Shop button. Use the event coins to buy yourself a nice outfit. Collect all stars to get a complete set. Great job, you have completed the tutorial. If you like our video, remember to subscribe. See you again next time.